Grace Mugabe ally calls for arrest of Mnangagwa, Chiwenga's wife. A former minister in Zimbabwe who was in court for fraud has reportedly demanded that President Emmerson Mnangagwa also be charged, as he had acted on his instruction when he contracted a communications company without the contract going to tender. Former Energy Minister Samuel Ondenga stands accused of fraud after he awarded ZANU-PF lawmaker Psychology Maziwisa and former Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation, ZBC, news anchor Oscar Pambuka a contract without putting it out to tender, said a Newsday report. The former energy minister recently denied the charges, saying he acted on the instruction of Mnangagwa, while he was still deputy president, when he awarded Fruitful Communications the tender. He added that he complied with the directive because the Zimbabwe Power Company, ZPC, Public Relations Department was not performing well. Ondenga's lawyer, Alex Mchethama, was quoted last month as saying his client only added his signature to a letter that had been written by the two co-owners of Fruitful Communications, said the report. According to NewZimbabwe.com, during his brief court appearance this week, Ondenga demanded the arrest of Mnangagwa and Deputy President Constantino Chiwenga's wife Mary for fraud. He said the country's criminal justice system was a mockery, as corrupt people who had stolen millions were not being charged while he was prosecuted for just $12,000 he did not steal. He said among those were Chiwenga's wife, who had earned millions under a non-existent company. He said the two had been linked to corruption but had still not been arrested. Ondenga has also told the court that he was being targeted for backing former First Lady Grace Mugabe as her husband Robert Mugabe's successor.